magre-review tayo ng PR package from Avon Philippines. Yes! But before anything else, meron akong good news sa inyo at meron tayong birthday giveaway. Yes! Birthday giveaway kasi mag-birthday na ako ngayong October 27 at magkakaroon tayo ng 3 lucky winners. Yes! Bago ang lahat, intro!
Ang ating PR package from Avon Philippines. Avon is made in Thailand. You can visit their website www.avonbeauty.com.
So, meron tayong tatlong product from Avon Philippines at ito ang ating number 3, ang Avon Miracle White Sea Creamy Soap.
Miracle White Sea Creamy Soap. Enjoy wonderful cleansing soap that combines with 3 ingredients, milk protein, vitamin C, and honey. It helps in moisturizing and smoothening with helps smooth the skin and illuminate the complexion. Daily use has effect on dry skin to cleanse the skin without any dry effects. Royal honey for natural moisturizer and helps to keep the skin soft. Vitamin C is for reduces wrinkles and protects skin against damaging free radicals. Milk protein is for gives a younger look with bright, soft, and smooth skin. Ang presko niya sa skin after mo mabanlawan.
So, ang ating number 2 is ang Avon Miracle Spa Milk Shower Salt.
Avon Miracle Spa Milk Shower Salt with Lycopene tomato extract, nano white glutathione, natural firming, natural whitening, natural smooth, and radiant, with extra kojic whitening and Himalayan salt. This is a home spa product for bathing and indulging yourself. Its selected micronized salt is suitable when scrubbing. It effectively exfoliates weathered skin cells without irritation and opens up new ones of brighten, smooth, and radiant look. With tomato extract, which is rich in lycopene, it helps fight free radicals and prevent wrinkles, keeping the skin soft and smooth. Squeeze a generous amount and apply onto moist skin. Massage gently in circular motion to remove dead skin cells. Then rinse with water. Honestly, first time ko makagamit nito at totoo ngang salt siya na may parang kasamang oil. And pag in-apply mo sa skin mo, smooth siya, lalo na kapag nabanlawan na.
Ating top 1, ang Avon Milk Powder Lightening Lotion plus Collagen.
Avon Milk Powder Lightening Lotion plus Collagen. 3 times collagen UV protection, advanced formula active care, moisturizing and whitening, 3 times whitening soft and smooth. It has 500 ml. This concentrated milk lotion protects your skin from UV rays and gives it a healthy glow. It is light, non-greasy, and easy absorbed into the skin. Mabango siya at tipid gamitin.
Ating tatlong product from Avon Philippines, and thank you so much Avon Philippines for trusting me na i-review ang inyong product. So, kung gusto nyo manalo ng ating pag-giveaway, please like my FB page Kathleerah and IG account Kathleerah, and please paki-like nyo rin po ang social media account ng Avon Philippines. And I see you next week, but don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and click the notification bell to get notified every time I post a new video like this, katulad itong pag-review natin ng mga products. So, kita-kits next week! Bye! So guys, I hope you like my video, and please don't forget to like,
comment, subscribe, and click the notification bell for the latest video na i-upload ko.
So guys, ito naman ang aking lines. Till next time, till next week. See you next video.
Bye-bye!